This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to export information from SurveyMonkey into Excel. If you've ever been overwhelmed by piles of survey data and wondered how to seamlessly transfer it into a spreadsheet for analysis, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you can easily manage and analyze your survey results in Excel. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to surveymonkey.com. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL. Once you're on the home page, log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to follow along with this tutorial. Once you're logged in, look for the All Surveys button. This is typically located in the main navigation menu. Clicking on this will take you to a list of surveys that you've created or have access to. It's a handy feature that lets you easily manage your surveys all in one place. From the list of surveys, find the specific survey you wish to export data from. Click on this survey to open it. This step is crucial because it directs the system to retrieve the data associated with the survey you want. Next, you'll need to click on the Analyze Results tab. This option is usually available once you have selected a survey. By clicking on this, you'll be taken to a page where you can view the results and insights gathered from your respondents. It's an essential step in understanding the data before exporting it. Now, look towards the top right corner of your screen for the Export button. Click on it to proceed. This feature allows you to export your data in various formats, making it versatile for different analytical needs. After clicking the Export button, you'll see options to either start a new export or view previous exports. If it's your first time exporting data from this survey, select the New Export option. If you've exported data before and wish to access it again, you can select Previous Exports. At this point, it's important to note that exporting data from SurveyMonkey to Excel might require you to upgrade your account. SurveyMonkey offers different subscription plans, and exporting data is often a feature available for premium accounts. If you encounter a prompt to upgrade, you'll need to follow the instructions provided to select a plan that suits your needs. And there you have it, a straightforward way to export your survey data from SurveyMonkey into Excel. This process not only saves you time, but also helps ensure accuracy in data analysis. Exporting this data allows you to utilize Excel's powerful tools for further analysis, creating graphs and visualizing your results in a way that's easy to understand and present. Hopefully, you found this guide helpful in navigating the process. With your survey data now in Excel, you can dive deeper into your analysis, draw insightful conclusions, and make data-driven decisions with confidence. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore more tutorials that can enhance your data management skills.